let's say my results and conclusion. 30 milliliters of water, the ratio is 30/1, and it did dissolve. For 25 milliliters of water, the ratio is 25/1, and it did dissolve. For 20 milliliters of water, it's 20/1, and it did dissolve. And for 15 milliliters, it's 15/1, and yes, it did dissolve. And lastly, for 10 milliliters of water, the ratio is 10/1, and it did dissolve. This is my conclusion. I learned that 30 milliliters to 10 milliliters of 10 degrees of water would make 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet dissolve. This is a chemical change because the Alka-Seltzer tablet is irreversible but also changed itself into a new substance. A chemical change means that a matter reacts and changes into a new substance. And chemical change is always irreversible, just like my experiment. An example of a chemical change is burning a paper, because burnt paper is called ash or carbon. So the carbon is irreversible. It is no longer a paper and you can't write on it anymore. So it is a chemical change. The tablet dissolved because there was plenty of solvent to get mixed with the tablet. I went wrong in choosing the amount of water. The reason is because the amount of water is greater than the amount of water you usually use for 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet. So next time in my experiment, I would like to figure out if an Alka-Seltzer tablet will dissolve in 5 milliliters of water or less. The answer to my question is 30/1, 25/1, 20/1, 15/1, and 10/1 are the ratios of the amount of solvent to solute to make the solute dissolve. Thank you.